Brakes, is it? Right. Let's take a look here.
Well, for starters, your chain is at 1% wear, which is obviously no good.
If it were at 0.75, I'd say you could keep the cassette. Because it's a 332 chain. Obviously.
Don't get me started on the jockey wheel. You might be looking for a whole new drivetrain, to be honest.
Blimey. Pitted bearing races.
Going to need some new spoke nipples for sure.
What PSI are you running with this? Looks like a pretty big job, to be honest.
Can't speak bike shop? Don't settle. Choose Fettle. Download the app, choose your service, we'll do the rest. Fettle, Faff-Free Bike Repair.